In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add fonts to Photoshop and also how to get free fonts safely that you can use for your designs, thumbnails, or even commercial projects. If you've ever downloaded a font and had no idea how to get it into Photoshop, don't worry. This is going to be super simple. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to download some fonts. There are a few great websites you can use for this. The safest and most recommended option is Google Fonts. It has a huge library of completely free fonts that you can even use for commercial projects, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues. Another popular site is The Font, which has a massive collection of creative fonts, but you need to be careful because not all of them are free for commercial use. You can also check out FontSpace or FontSquirrel for more options. Once you're on one of these sites, just pick a font you like and download it. Most of the time, the file will come as a zip file, so after downloading, go ahead and loc that file on your computer. Now let's install the font on Windows. Right-click the zip file and click Extract. Open the extracted folder, and inside you will usually see a font file with either a .ttf or .otf extension. Right-click on that file and click Install. That's it. The font is now added to your system, and Photoshop will automatically detect it. Next, let's use the font inside Photoshop. Open Photoshop, select the text tool by pressing T on your keyboard, and then go to the font drop-down at the top. From here, you can search for the font you just installed. Click on it, and you're ready to start using it in your design. Now here's a faster alternative if you have an Adobe subscription. Inside Photoshop, you can access Adobe Fonts. Just click on the font drop-down and look for the option to browse or activate more fonts. You can instantly activate fonts from Adobe's library without downloading anything manually, which is super convenient. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of important tips. Always check the font license, especially if you're using the font, because some fonts are only for personal use. If your font doesn't show up in Photoshop, simply restart Photoshop and it should appear. And if you want the safest option, stick with Google Fonts. And that's it. You now know how to add fonts to Photoshop and get free fonts the right way. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.